In this video, we are going to show you how to create multi-layered knowledge systems in Poppy AI. Now, I know, pause for a second. It sounds complicated or, ooh, I don't know if I can do that. Multi-layered knowledge systems in Poppy AI is practically having multiple of these settings. So this is a simple setup in any board that you want, right? So you have a group that is connected to a Poppy chat, right? If I zoom out, I have several of these, right? So it's pretty much that. So why do you do these? You need each group or each layer. So for example, group 1 and this is layer 1 and group 2 onwards are the succeeding layers. So group 1, this first layer does group layer 1 objectives or tasks, right? Group 2 in layer 2 different tasks, group 3, layer 3, different tasks, so on and so forth. That is practically it, so that you don't muddy the water for whatever Poppy AI. For example, this Poppy chat is trained for group 1. For example, you're creating videos, right? This is for research, right? And if you want to do scripts, you want to go to this other Poppy chat with group 4, right? So group 4 Poppy chat is trained for script writing. Group 1 Poppy chat is trained for research, right? So you can do it all in one, but it's going to muddy the water if you want a multi-layered, a more organized way of doing so without having your AI spaz out, because it does happen. You just want them to have the one job, the one task, which again, like what I said, group 1's Poppy chat is for research. Group 4's Poppy chat is for script writing. So they only have the one task. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount if you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.